This is for the 12th pick. Maroons. This is for the 11th pick. Time bomb. This is for the 10th pick. Mari. This is for the 9th pick. Dobbs. This is for the 8th pick. Colin. This is for the 7th pick. Bob. For the 6th pick. Allen. This is for the 5th pick. Larson. This is for the 4th pick. Bacon. This is for the 3rd pick. Oh my God, this isn't rigged. Bowl. And for the 2nd pick, there's 2 left. This is huge. Eric. And that means the 1st pick goes to Randy. Oh crap, these are all mixed up.